Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, my friends. I am unboxing another box of HelloFresh meals, and I'm going to show you what's for dinner. Here we go. This comes every week, my friends. Every week, mostly on a Monday. And I'm going to show you what's for dinner. Let's see what we got. So I'm not the one that usually orders the meals, my friends. My daughters usually does it. So I am just finding out what's for dinner the same time you guys are, or the same time I'm making this video. So I'm not usually disappointed. I find that HelloFresh meals are very tasty. Some I am, I probably wouldn't order again or tell them not to order again, but most of the meals are pretty tasty. And we have pan-seared steaks with roast potato coins and tomato pan sauce. That looks good. Huh. That's one meal. I hope you guys can see this properly because this will look good. And then the other one we have is Southwestern spiced chicken and ranch salad with charred vegetables. 25 minutes meal. This one is 35 minutes. 25 minutes. That looks good. Oh yeah. This is just a salad and a chicken on top. And then we have a savory beef bowl with garlic rice and green vegetables. And I like the bowls. They're pretty tasty. So that's what's for dinner. I don't know which one we're going to cook first, my friends, but I'll take you on the journey to cooking at least one of them. And as I told you before, my friends, this is how it's packaged. So each one of these package contains the fresh ingredients and everything that you need to make this meal is in this bag, right? So that's that. And then the next one, and then the next one. This one is the salad. It's very light, very, very light. And I like the way the package, because everything that you need is in a package in one of these bags. And then of course at the bottom of the box, my friends, there's always a garlic loose. At the bottom of the box, we have all the meats and stuff that needs to be kept cold and on ice is here. Now, my friends, it's now 20 to 8 in the evening, and I'm just unboxing this to put them away. And honestly, everything is still cold. This is 100% water, so everything, the cardboard box is 100% recyclable. And then of course the ice that they pack it on, this is 100% water. So I'm happy to see that HelloFresh is doing that. And here's the meat for the steak dinner, and then of course chicken breast, and then the lean ground beef for the salad bowl, right? And this is it comes, right? So this one would go with this meal. This is how they package your ground beef for this meal, right? Now, my friends, what I actually love about HelloFresh, what we have started doing is put all the meats in the freezer as soon as we get them, and then we just take out a pack each time, because I find that even though we have gone down to three meals a week from HelloFresh. Sometimes we don't go through all 3 meals. We end up, somebody ordering food from a different restaurant, or we just, try doing something light. But honestly, I think HelloFresh is worth it. I can't see myself stop ordering from HelloFresh. I used to do 5 meals a week, and I now gone down to only 3 meals a week, and I still think it's worth it, right? Now back to the meat packages. What I don't know what they're using to seal this meat, right? Because it's well sealed. Once this is frozen, in no time it thaws out, right? So I don't know what they're using, if they're using something into their package, but not to worry. This thaws really, really quickly, all the meats and stuff. So don't think because you put them in the freezer they're not gonna thaw in time. They do. And so we put these in the freezer, and in the mid-afternoon we take it out. By the time it's time to make dinner, the meats have thawed out. So I really like how they package their stuff. So right now I'm going to put this in a freezer bag. Let me get a freezer bag, and what I do is put all this meat in the freezer bag. I go like this, just like this, and then I just place it in my freezer. I don't have to seal the top, I never do, and then I will just put it in the freezer. So when I decided tomorrow morning which one of these meals I'm gonna cook, I'll just take out the meat and leave it to thaw, and by the time I come home I'll make one dinner. I'll make the dinner, right? And of course this has to be an ice too, so I'll put this in the freezer as well. This freezer needs straightening up and cleaning. That's all I'm having for dinner. This is HelloFresh meals. Thank you for watching, my friends. Let's go ahead and say this is my time and I deserve something better.